The beginning of digital currencies denoted a progressive period in the realm of money. The flexible scope of cryptographic forms of money offered a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The eminent cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and so on, had their own advantage fad to advance. Be that as it may, there actually prowled a test of openness, straightforwardness, and tremendous exchange expenses. Allow us to have a fast look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin Cash cost expectation for what's in store. This was properly tended to by Bitcoin Cash's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of engineers. They understood that the colossal capability of Bitcoin could be additionally saddled ideally through a hard fork, consequently expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH has started its life. Bitcoin Cash Technical Analysis. Understanding the nitty-gritties. A profound infiltration into the statistical data points of Bitcoin Cash has a through-and-through various story to uncover. In spite of having huge future outcomes, additionally potential and commitments of conveying forward 8 MB block size, the token has many motivations to work harder to coordinate to its eyes versus its rivals. A significant explanation, thusly, is that the two financial backers and diggers side with the parent Bitcoin. BCH is using pretty much 2.1% of its block limit. Aside from that, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. The engineers required a great deal of redoing to show greater readiness, rolling out extremist improvements to the venture's essentials. This could assist with pushing the BCH cost and market cap to new highs. Nonetheless, the value history of Bitcoin Cash, thinking back, has not been offering too much. It has stayed unstable and emphatically connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, not long after creation, a solitary Bitcoin Cash had a worth of more than $4,000, and the cost expanded. It looks astounding that the coin has begun losing cash quickly and saw cost drop from that astonishing level today definitely. Retail financial backer records lose cash while exchanging spread wagers and are complicated instruments. In August 2017, mining and opponent coins made this Bitcoin Cash digital money bob to an enormous level. Normal cost expanded with more than a $9 billion market cap. Many began seeing this as a contender instead of a posterity or a hard fork of Bitcoin. However, an ensuing rectification cut statements by practically 30% in November. The following period of development started. Against the foundation of the arrival of true programming and posting on top trades, the coin began a cost recuperation, making towards a memorable high of $430, with a market cap being $70 billion. Being perhaps of the most seasoned player in the digital money market, Bitcoin Cash value, the posterity of Bitcoin has acquired confided in validity among big business organizations. Its conventions' genuine applications have likewise covered different significant classifications that endeavor organizations might actually be keen on. Furthermore, Bitcoin Cash's huge local area of engineers, which deals with the blockchain's convention upgrades, could be considered by big business organizations as a mechanical advantage. Uniting patterns point towards the way that there is potential for Bitcoin Cash expectation and show it might go on an uplifting perspective. This incorporates both least cost and greatest cost.
As per determined Bitcoin Cash cost examination, Bitcoin Cash cost could float least cost around $1,499 toward 2022 in the couple of the following months and, as indicated by estimated Bitcoin Cash cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto Goliaths as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH price prediction, it can generally depend on $515.84 as greatest cost in 1 year. Bitcoin Cash gauge is by all accounts showing negative feeling. It might frustrate its financial backers, cruising scarcely at $421.3912 as least cost toward 2022 of every 1 year's end. What's to come plans holds more splendid side for Bitcoin Cash estimate. It may not be an exaggeration to say it would surpass a greatest cost, most extreme cost, of $2,863.71 in the following 5 years. This implies a triple yearly cost increment every year is a wise venture resource. As per the principal investigation and cost figure, regardless of its reception, the BCH coin will generally confront heat till January 2023. Going by Bitcoin Cash cost forecasts that bulls might be back, the money ought to wind up marginally lower, least cost, say by 2023 $378. In view of our Bitcoin Cash cost figure, a drawn-out increment is normal. The future cost guess for 2026 is $3,006.160. With a 5-year productive venture choices, the income is supposed to be around plus 65.51%. A ton of Bitcoin Cash figure improvements will go in 5 years in the long haul. Notwithstanding, its future presentation will doubtlessly be connected with Bitcoin's exhibition. Subsequently, an inside and out bullish forecast of $58.91 United States dollars toward the finish of 2025. As per Bitcoin Cash cost conjecture, toward the finish of 2022, the most extreme cost of Bitcoin Cash forecast will be $374.558, with idealism posing a potential threat in the approaching following couple of years between $802.577 and $937.950. The Bitcoin Cash digital currency market is profoundly unstable, and significant value changes can occur inside the space of minutes because of elements like guidelines, contest, the development of new tech, market opinions, and so on. There are a few expectations given by crypto merchants, lovers, or even crypto determining sites on how Bitcoin Cash value conjecture would act from here on out. However, Bitcoin Cash needed to put forth a huge attempt to fork out of its starting point and contend long and hard with its opponent cryptographic forms of money. It isn't long that it would be during the year 2022. A large portion of the contenders of BCH as well didn't hypnotize the brokers by the same token. Notwithstanding, the consistency which Bitcoin Cash cost figure has attempted to show is in itself a novel component to discuss. Its contribution in different bold undertakings has guaranteed that its cost keeps up the energy. Bitcoin Cash price prediction 2022. As indicated by Bitcoin Cash cost expectation 2022, defeating the pandemic